Okay guys, this morning we just have a little project. There's a tree that's been laying down in the field for a couple months now, so we're going to finally get it out of the way. It's in the way whenever I bush hog. Just have a couple minor things we got to do to the tractor first, and then we'll be on our way. Okay guys, so what's going on here is this is the parking brake release lever. Not too long ago the handle fell off and the spring fell off with it. Which means every time I go from forward to reverse, I have to reach down and jiggle the handle. Kind of defeats the purpose of having a hydrostatic tractor when you have to do that. So I ordered an OEM spring. Look at me spending big money on OEM parts, but it's just a spring. I think it's only like $6. There's the spring there. Super springy. Look at it. So it slides right on there. I'll put the parts number for that somewhere on this video clip. I'll put it in the description too, in case anybody else out there has a little John Deere 755 compact tractor with that same issue. So you just put the spring on, you screw that knob on like that, and then you realize you make a mistake. Then you back the knob back off, you slide the spring back off, you slide an additional washer on that you forgot to put on the first time. It really helps the performance if you do this twice. And then once you get the washer you forgot back on, then you slide the spring and the handle back on, screw it all in there, just like so. Look at that. That's amazing skill. I guess, not really. Look, it goes up and down. Look how excited I am. Watch this. Look, down and up. Down and up. I'm so excited. I overdid the up and down part of this, but I was just super excited that it worked. Because that means I don't have to mess with it anymore. So, okay, on to the tree. Here we go. Okay, so here's what's going on here. Sorry, mid-bite on some Oreos. So here's what's going on here. I threw this tree out in the field a while ago with the mini excavator when I was doing some clearing. It wasn't in the way then, but it's obviously in the way now. Oh, look at me go, getting it rolling. So now I'm just using my little compact tractor to roll it to the other side of the field so it's out of the way when I'm bush hogging. I don't know if any of you guys have little compact tractors like this. This is a John Deere 755. I believe they made this series, I'm going to say mid-80s to mid-90s, probably when they ran this. They went from 600, 655 up through 955. This one's 755. It's a 20 horse, little 3-cylinder diesel. And these are probably one of the best compact tractors money can buy. They're just simple, easy to operate. And I know it's just a compact tractor, but the operator station setup on it is just fantastic. It's just, for me, it's extremely comfortable, very durable. I mean, look at me. I'm beating the crap out of this thing trying to roll this tree downhill. I'm always doing stuff with this tractor I should not be doing, and it holds up really well. Except for one issue I'm having right now, but you'll see that at the end of the video. I don't think that's the tractor issue as much as it is my maintenance issue. Okay, just about got to the bottom of the field there. A few more good rolls and we'll have it. Hang on for just a little bit longer. We got a time lapse coming up. And then I'll talk to you about the problem I'm having with this tractor, and hopefully some of you guys out there can help me out with it so we can get her figured out. Okay guys, I need some help. I was trying to do a cool time-lapse video bush hogging this hillside. That's all I got done, just that little section there. And the tree pushed down to right around there. And this thing, it keeps doing this to me. I don't know if you can see it in the light, but the temperature warning keeps coming on. And then blows out every time. Coolant at the bottom, so it's definitely overheating. You see it running down the side right there actually. And I can't figure it out why. I just did an oil change, new filter, new oil. It's got less than 10 hours on that. I put a new air filter in, but this still shows the red line on there. So did I miss something on the air filter maybe? Is there a way to reset this? Do you have to replace this thing? I don't know. All I know is it keeps overheating. Of course, I'm adding coolant and water back to it, but I can't figure out why it's overheating. Super frustrating. I was only able to get, well, you saw it on the video, just that tree and this little bitty bit of bush hogging. Hoping somebody out there can help me out with what the heck's going on with this thing so I can actually get some stuff done. Anyway, sorry I didn't get the super duper cool time lapse, but maybe I'll get some super duper cool tips on how to fix this dang thing. And then we can do a video on that too. Anyway, catch you on the next one.